Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. Today I will show you how to add text, titles and captions to your video. Text helps viewers understand your message and makes your video look more professional. So let's get started. So you click on video as usual. After video, you click on it to open this way. You click on the last video that we edited and it will load. So you click on text, then it will open this way. You click on text again. You click on text again, what you want to type. Like me, I'll type welcome to day 3. Just type anything you want to type, subscribe, follow, anything you want to type on your video. You type, then you click on this A and small a where I just click. You select the front, that is the front style. You select the front, anytime. Click on this circle that has multiple colors to change your colors, anyone you want to add. Editing. Just play along with the colors. You can see what I'm doing. And then this A that has colors too. That one is the background. Just choose anyone. This pink background. Just play of them. The one that is okay for your video, you choose that one. So now, after selecting on your text and the background, everything, if you want to increase the text size, you click on your text, you use your 2 fingers to zoom in and zoom out. Or if you don't want to use your 2 fingers, you can use this arrow, this black arrow here. Can just click on the black arrow to adjust it in and adjust it out. To animate your text, you click on this dot, something that is moving, that is beside this check mark. You click on it, you see if you see the animation. If you are about this in, out and loom. This in is how you want the text to come in, and the out is how you want the text to go out from the screen, and this loom is how you want the text to stay on the screen, whether shaking or whatever. How you want the text to be on the screen is this loom. So just go through it and explore. Then as you can see, the text is short. You can see from this white playhead to this white playhead is not long, it's short. So you drag the text to the end of your video, or where you want the text to end and where you want the text to begin. So you drag the text to it. So this text now, I want this text to reach the end of my video. So I'm going to drag it to the end of my video. Or if I don't want the text to reach the end of my video, I will just drag it to where I want it to stay. So then remember, always when you finish editing your video, always play your video to see whether it's well edited or not, or maybe you still need to cut out some things. And if you want to add more text, just click on enter. Click on the text, then you click on enter to add more text. You can see what I'm doing. Type what you want to type, and just, as I always say, explore yourself. You can see what I'm doing. If the text is too much, just reduce the font size and drag it to where you want it to be. just reduce the font size. Next is captions. How to add captions in this same video. Captions. To add captions on your video is not hard. Just click on the video. Just click on the captions and it will load. You allow it to load. When it's finished loading to 100%, then if you want to design the captions, you type on the text, just give it any background, any font, just give it the style you want, color, just design it to your taste. And that's all. To add captions on your video is not hard. Simple as ABC. I hope you understand and I hope you learn something. So that's all for today. Go and create your video, that content that you want to do, and you are saying, I don't know how to do this, and you are paying someone to help you and do it. Something you can do it by yourself. So awesome. You now know how to add text, title, and caption in InShot. In day 4, I will show you how to add background music, voiceover, and sound effects to bring your video to life. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my next tutorial. See you in the next lesson. Bye.